Okay, so you know I love to tell you about hacks or accessories you can get to make your video production easier or faster. Well, today is one of those videos. This is a new light from a company called Ulaznzi, and it's not just a normal light, it has a couple of tricks up its sleeve. This is the Ulaznzi VIJIM R70 light with a full metal construction and can display over 360 RGB colors. It's got adjustable brightness and a 2000 to 8500 Kelvin adjuster. It's super lightweight at 260 grams, so can easily fit into any bag or pocket. But you know what? You can find that on many lights. What I like about this is the build quality is great, and it has a couple of really impressive tricks that I haven't seen on any other portable lights. The Ulaznzi R70 also has a built-in battery, and that should give you 10 hours of continuous battery life. Firstly, it has this adjustable arm. This makes it great for angling the light either on a table or on a stand. It's really very useful, as many light stands don't angle at all. It also has a cold shoe mount on the side of the light, so you can still attach a microphone if you've got the light on top of your camera. Now, the second trick is the thing I'm most excited about. It has something in it called light scenes. And what this means is if you're trying to do a project and you're filming a party scene, maybe you're filming a scene where you want fireworks in the background, or you want police or an ambulance, or you just want a fire, let's say, and you don't have those elements, this light has those scenes set up within the light. So you can kind of trick your viewers into thinking that you're maybe looking at fireworks or watching a TV. Tell you what, just watch these examples to see. No way. I don't believe it. The TV's not even on. It's the light. I'm not going to give you my details because it's just a light. You've guessed it, there's no fireworks. It's the light again. So just to be clear, this isn't a paid or sponsored review. Ulaznzi did send the product to us through the post when they sent us a microphone to check out. And I did say if we were going to take a look at it, I would give it my honest feedback. And you know what? I've been really, really impressed. We already had a couple of lights in the studio, so I wasn't really in the need for another one. But this has become our go-to studio light and portable light just because of all the functions built into this. Now, it doesn't have iPhone support. Some little portable lights I've seen have iOS support, so you can dial in the light settings, which is really cool. But even on some of those kind of lights, I've found that I don't tend to use that anyway. I do like that you can just tap, select, and you've got your scene or you've got your light there right out of the gate, which is really cool. So let me know in the comments what you think of this light, and if you want to check it out, I'll put a link in the description below.